Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing a very popular street side snack from Tamil Nadu, India, which is usually available at all the tea shops. We call it Kadai Cake or Kajada, Vettu Cake or Attu Kaal Cake. It brings back so many nostalgic memories for me because after school, my dad would always buy a snack from the nearby tea shop every day. One of my favorite snacks among them is this cake, which is crispy on the outside and soft on the inside with a mildly sweet flavor. Let's get into the recipe now. Take a blender, add half cup of sugar and a pinch of cardamom powder and blend it into a fine powder. Then add 1 egg to the powdered sugar mixture and blend it well again. Once done, set it aside. Take a mixing bowl and add 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of rava, semolina, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Mix them well. Next add 1 tablespoon of ghee and mix it in. Then add the egg sugar mixture and continue mixing. If needed, add 2 tablespoons of water and combine everything into a soft dough. Let the dough rest for 30 minutes. Don't worry if the dough feels sticky at first. After resting, you will notice that it becomes less sticky and you will be able to form perfect balls. Now make lime-sized balls out of the dough and fry them over medium to low heat until they are golden brown on the outside and soft and cooked on the inside. Don't rush the frying process, as the cake may appear brown but still be uncooked inside. So be patient and make sure they cook thoroughly inside and out. Even though we shaped the dough into soft balls, once they start frying, they will naturally crack and looks just like the tea shop cakes. Continue frying all the prepared balls until they are well cooked and golden brown in color. With these measurements, you will get around 10 medium-sized cakes. Tea shops usually make bigger cakes which are more filling, but they take longer to fry and you need to be extra careful to ensure they are well cooked. These turned out really delicious and perfectly cooked. Let me show you the texture. Look how soft it is in the inside and crispy on the outside. It looks beautiful. Try it at home and let me know in the comments how it turned out. This Kadai cake is one of my childhood memories. I have been craving it for such a long time. The last time we visited India, we tried it, and now I have made it at home. It makes me so happy and we thoroughly enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more similar videos. Thank you.